Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie your hairs. So take the hairs on the sides and make the plaits like this and join them on the sides like this. Follow the same step for the other side. Now tie all the hairs together by dividing them into two parts and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and fix it on the top like this. Take small section of the hairs, tie it like this and join it. You can try these hairstyles on your kids and on yourself too. So next we will be taking the hairs in the front like this, tie it like this on the top and then roll it. Keep rolling the hairs in small sections like this and then we will join the hairs together on the back. Now take another section of the hairs and then again join the hairs by rolling it like this. Watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing the hairs and then tie them in the same manner. By taking the hairs in small section, roll it like this and make a line like shape and then join it on the back like this. Make the plaits on the sides of the hairs by taking the hairs from the sides. Join it one by one. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Take the plaits till the end and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the top like this. Take the hairs from the sides and then make the plaits like this in the sides and small section of the hairs. Join it carefully one by one as shown in the video. Fix it very properly and carefully. Follow the same step for the other sides of the hairs. Now join the hairs together by making the plaits on the sides all together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will put this beautiful hairband on the hairs. Now to fix the ribbon on the side, we will make the plaits. So take two sections of the hairs and join it and make the plaits out of it. Follow the same process for the other side. Now join the hairs on the back by taking all the hairs and make the plaits again. Now tie the hairs using the ribbon like this. Make a bow and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this and then rotate it. Now take the hairs on the sides again and then again repeat the process for a few more times. Now again take the hairs, tie it and again rotate it. Now at the end we will join all the hairs to make the plaits like this. Fix it till the end, tie it using a rubber band and it's ready. Next, again put this beautiful hair ribbon on the hairs and to fix the ribbon on the sides, we will make the plaits like this. Take three sections of the hairs and join them to make the plaits like this. Follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Join them one by one as shown in the video. Fix it properly and carefully as we are fixing. Now take all the hairs on one side and take it and make the plaits and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the side like this. Make the plaits on the small section of the hairs. Fix it properly. Take the hairs from the sides as well and join it like this. Make the plaits carefully. Now follow the same process for the other sides. Pull out the hairs little bit like this. Join all the hairs and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.